Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing good, enjoying the beautiful climate, enjoying the month of October. And today's video it is going to be a complete reset. It's already October. I filmed this video a week ago. In today's video it's all about welcoming the fall season and preparing myself for the winter season ahead. I love winter season. I always like to enjoy this season being at home and watching any of the current series or a fairy tale movie. Speaking about the series, first I start with the cleaning, set my cozy corner. As this year I'm away from my family, I of course miss my 3 a.m. Maggie with my sister and evening cup of tea with my mom. So I'm trying to keep myself motivated by listening to my favorite tracks, and I'm the biggest fan of Shah Rukh Khan and of course the Bollywood. And before starting with the cleaning stuff, I like to put the face mask on so that it's there on my skin doing its job and I'm doing mine. And once after putting the face mask on, I like to oil my hair. I did oil my hair last night, but I like to reapply the oil and massage it for like a minute or two. And once after I finish my little bit of hair care and the skincare routine, throughout my life, I felt insecure about my hair. I never thought I will be on this platform sharing any video, but I am trying to love myself the way I am and trying to improve myself. And all I can say is I am proud of myself for doing what I like. Now, after finishing my hair care routine, I will start with my cleaning. I will start with the dusting and clean the entire room. Once after the dusting and everything is completed, I like to grab some green tea and read the book for a while. It's going to be 4 p.m. and I like to read the book for 5 to 10 minutes, and this is the recent habit which I am trying to inculcate. After reading the book, I like to do my self-care routine, and yes, I skipped my lunch even today, which is really not a good thing to do. So never skip your meal and have your meal on time because it is really important for your health. After taking the shower and pampering myself for good 2 hours, now it's time to assemble the things and set my cozy corner. Depending upon the mood and the season, I like to arrange my clothes on the rack and also according to the theme. Now that the clothes are arranged, I will decor the room a little bit. Candles are my best friends, like anytime, any day. It lifts my mood and it feels so relaxed. I don't know whether it's just me or it happens to anybody else, but I just love the scented candles. It is like a therapy for me to relax my mind. So now, after I lit the candle, it's time for my skincare routine, which is the favorite part of the day. It kind of feel like you're in a spa, enjoying your me time and taking care of yourself. And no matter how long the day was or how low you feel, just try to find that extra 5 to 10 minutes to keep yourself happy and to do what you like to do. It actually helps.